Besides tight academic schedule, we first year batch of 2022-23 from Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology involved ourselves in gardening and growing flowering plants from seeds. We were motivated by the faculty members of physics department. This would not have been possible without their constant support and supervision. In the first step, we prepared the soil. We used 80% garden soil and the remaining ingredient content vermicompost, cow dung compost, mustard cake and bone dust. In the meantime, seeds of zinnia, Camas balsam were treated with antifungal powder before they were sown to the designed soil bed. We have the seeding for each variety of seeds sown. After about 1 month, these seedings were transferred to small pots. These pots with seedlings were watered regularly and manured periodically. These plants start to bloom after a few weeks. Few seedlings from the pots were also transferred to the garden. These plants were regularly watered and maintained methodically. This is high time. It is time to save our Mother Earth. We request to all to engage yourself in activities like gardening, planting trees, and keeping our environment clean and green. Please like and share the video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.